How to block or unblock someone on Badoo. Let's quickly see how to block or unblock someone on Badoo. Open the Badoo app and go to the profile of the person you want to block. Tap the three dot or more option button in the top right corner. You will see block from the menu. Select it. Confirm your choice and that's it. They won't be able to message or see your profile anymore. If you want to unblock someone, go to the profile and tap settings. Scroll down and tap block user. Find the person you want to unblock. Again, tap the three dot menu and then tap unblock, and they will be allowed to contact you again. And that's how you take control of your privacy on Badoo. Block when needed, unblock when you change your mind. And that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video. And see you in the next one. And thank you for watching.